Gotta have my skin skinny.
Yeah, but cocoa butter ain't good because you gonna be baking. You gonna bake yourself.
My skin skinny.
He's so hard-headed, y'all.
Your mama just like Chris Brown.
Look at that.
So listen, y'all, why y'all didn't tell us that these Pax System from IKEA trying to order those? Girl. Happy Saturday. Welcome back to our channel, Follow the Hamptons. I am Lakeisha, and we are up early this morning. It may be about 8 o'clock. We are headed to Orlando, Florida to go to SeaWorld with the kids. So I wanted to check in with y'all. We are loading up the car right now, and that's what we're doing.
What we doing?
Getting ready to go to Orlando. You ready to be in this sun all day?
I'm ready.
You ready? You sure you ready?
Yeah. Oh, cocoa butter. Gotta have my skin skinny.
Yeah, but cocoa butter ain't good because you gonna be baking. You gonna bake yourself.
My skin skinny.
He's so hard-headed, y'all. So I'm putting some towels in the car. So anyway, my car had to get serviced yesterday, and they ended up having to keep it because I had to get some additional things done other than the service. So we're in a loaner car, so that's not my car, but it's smaller. It's all right, it'll make it do what it do. So anyway, we are getting ready to head out, load up, and I'll check back in with y'all because we're gonna go and get breakfast. Say good morning. They got Amari.
Oh, I look greasy. I got no sunscreen. It's okay. Sun
They got
protection.
Mr. Hampton. You gonna say something?
I'm looking for a charger.
He left. Mr. Hampton left all our stuff in our car. So
Listen, you going off the whole total package. Of course, Chris Brown can dance better than Usher. We talking about hits. We talking about hits,
It's not
man.
of course, because they both could.
Your mama just like
Right?
Chris
Oh, that's
Brown.
Neo. Look at that.
She
Please
just
leave
like
Neo
the
out the
light-skinned
equation.
Negro. But we talking about hits. We is talking about hits.
So what we talking about is if Chris Brown and Usher did versus, who would win? I got my money on Chris Brown.
We know Chris Brown dance better than Usher. He dance better than Usher. But we talking about
That
hits
Mercedes hard,
for
ain't it?
hits. Yeah, that is hard. Hits for hits for hits.
My money on Chris
Oh,
Brown.
no, that's kind of.
Yeah, you keep you second guessing your
I ain't
answer.
second guessing.
I
I'm
ain't
saying it's
second
gonna be
guessing.
like neck and neck. That's what
I'm not second guessing my answer. My money with Chris Brown.
Okay.
Period. Point blank. When you believe in something and believe in it's just what it is. So don't get me wrong. I like both of them. I think that they're both great. But if I had to pick, my favorite is Chris Brown. I mean, I stand on that. That's
You
what
just
I
said that
stand
'cause you
on.
went to a Chris Brown concert.
I've been to all Chris Brown concerts.
See,
Every last one.
you ain't seen Usher concert.
I'm not looking forward to going to Usher.
Just a different way. Get your life. You bitches ain't
Clouds were so.
work, 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 work. To me, I be everybody. You gon' break my soul. You gon' break.
You need a cold shower to snap out of the illusion. I'ma be the one to send you to that conclusion. You don't even see it coming till shit hits the fan. Hey, you just walk around it all day long like it's
We made it.
Look. They trying to make them feed them. They know they're gonna feed them.
All right, y'all. So we, of course, as you see, we have made it into the park. We went and got our wristbands because we did the all-day dining. So just a tip, if you go into the theme park and they offer all day dining and you're with your family, take advantage of it because it's gonna save you some money. We are getting ready now to, I guess, go and find some rides to get on, and I'll check back in with y'all. The cool thing about today's trip, this is everybody's first time here at SeaWorld. Oh, it's a fly tower.
Yeah, this New Orleans. I guess it's like everything is like Caribbean thing. But they got a cafe, like Cafe over there.
So it's me her be talking all that junk. She be scared. Y'all, I turned green. I said I turned green. I didn't land on the ride.
It may cause injuries to some riders with pre-existing impairment of condition that would prevent normal seating.
The line said, the thing said 20-minute wait.
Should not board this
It's been an
ride.
hour.
Riders
Yeah, we
must be
been waiting an
42
hour to
inches
get on
tall.
the ride.
Guests between 42 and
But hey,
48
that's what we
inches
came
tall
here to
must
do,
be
so that's
accompanied
what
by
we
a
do.
responsible person.
Did that scare you?
Let me do it.
All right, so we just got off the water ride, and of course, as soon as we got out here, we walked into this aquarium. But we getting ready to go eat. We literally waited an hour and a half to get on the ride, so we're gonna go and find somewhere to eat. This is what we just got off of, y'all. Baby, what are you talking about?
Our lunch went free.
Yo.
What? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's only 6 rides. For real.
Everybody clap your hands!
Look at me, I look like a grayhead.
Oh, there you go.
I'm so excited. This is my first time at
See him over
SeaWorld.
there? We should walk around there.
It may cause injuries to some riders. Any type of prosthetic device should ensure that it is properly secured and will remain in place during guests who have had recent surgeries, high blood pressure, heart conditions, neck or back problems, or any impairment of condition.
Yeah.
To the men and women of our armed forces.
today is Monday. I hope y'all day is going really well. It's about 4:30. I have to go pick up. We gotta go pick up my car from the dealer. They're done getting with the service on that, and then of course we have to take back the loaner car that we got. We're getting ready to go to IKEA because I'm looking into getting a closet system. So I am so happy about that. Like, I'm truly looking forward to that. So before we head out, I want to go ahead and show you a couple of things that were actually a gift that I just got from my husband. So the first is, as you see, comes from MCM. And this is the little card that comes in the box. It's for the warranty, and I guess it's a 1-year limited warranty. This is the MCM scarf. He knows that I like to wear my scarves and head wraps, so I think this is really pretty. Of course, the color is your traditional MCM color. I cannot wait to wear it, but that is so pretty. It's like it's a headband, turban type style. So anyway, that's the very first thing. As you see, I'm just now opening it. You see, it also comes in a little duster bag. Oh, this is cute. So it's a little small crossbody, which I've been asking for a crossbody. I love to carry them. I have one crossbody, and it's a Louis Vuitton, and it seems like I just carry this bag all the time. So there you go. Perfect size. As you see, it is big enough to hold your cell phone, whatever else I guess it is that you want to carry. Definitely perfect for when you're out on the weekend shopping, whatever the case may be. Now this is some of the things that Corey bought. It's from a store called Psycho Bunny, which I had never actually heard of Psycho Bunny until Corey began wearing them. So I'm going to show you what he got. I'm trying to make sure my hands are clean. These are pretty dope though. And the quality on these are really nice. It says it's 100% Pima cotton, P-I-M-A cotton. I'm not sure exactly what that may be, but it feels really nice. Oh, okay, and these are the shorts. Last but not least, something I don't need but love. So there's this candy store. I do not know how to pronounce this. So anyway, I thought I'd show you the name, but this one has peanuts in it. And this one is, it's like a toffee on it. Oh my God, so good. They're not cheap either though. So this, I just ordered out with the chocolate child, but it's so good. All right, y'all, so we went to go pick up the car, and another sensor or something is on. So we left it. We're back in the loaner. Somebody's not happy.
Yeah, it's a long drive.
Yeah, because we live on a whole other side of the world. So, but anyway, that's that. We're now heading to IKEA. And of course, once we make it to IKEA, we'll check back in. All right, y'all, so we have made it to IKEA. We're getting ready to go in here so we are able to check out these closet systems. So I'm actually happy. I think Corey happier than me because he gets to take over our closet. So we're gonna go up here and see what they got. what we're looking for. But you see what I'm saying now? Are the ceilings high enough in any room for this? Yeah. Oh. You don't like that? You think? Oh, and the lights. Look at the lights. I'm sure you had to buy it.
Something like this with this set, and then when you get more, then you build into the closet. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But this something like this would be good to start off.
I miss that sexy smile, looking forward to see you. I hope I will lose control. Love you every night, no checking the time, 'cause I was loving you all night long. I can let you go, baby, it's the right thing, I already know. And you're feeling it.
So listen, y'all, why y'all didn't tell us that these Pax System from IKEA, trying to order those? Girl. Oh my God. Thank God that the guy that was helping us was very patient. That's air. I think that air might be, wait. Okay. He was very patient. He knew what he was doing. Of course, I'm going in the store just like, okay, I want this, with this, with this, not knowing that I would have to. They want you to go to this computer and put in all of the stuff and set it up the way you want, and then go through the place to order. Like, where they do that at? Can I just buy my product, tell y'all what I want, get it delivered, pay somebody to set it up, and be done? But anyway, like I said, the guy did make the overall experience a lot better, because other than that, I honestly would have left without ordering it and maybe looked elsewhere, just being honest. So anyway, we are heading home now. What you turn on the light? It's dark, yeah. So anyway, it's almost 9 o'clock. It's 8:43. So we're heading home. Neither of us have eaten. Baby, we're gonna eat at home. Okay. So anyway, yeah. So that's what it's looking like. But I got my Pax System. All of the items though that I wanted are not all in. Like some of the glass drawers and some of the drawers. So they have like a later date. But for the most part, we're gonna be good to go. So all I have to do now is get the call this company to schedule for them to come out and set it up. So your girl is on her way to get in my room the way I want it. My husband is so sweet. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
So that's pretty much it. Like I said, we're getting ready to get on this ride back. I'm not happy about my car. However, I'm glad that we noticed this the message on the screen instead of us going all the way home, right? And it was perfect because that was not on our what you call it when you get your car yeah, that was not on the diagnostic that sensor was on. So again, we're not sure what it is. We looked it up. It sounds like maybe a fuse, so we'll find that out, I guess, tomorrow. But we're not gonna worry about it. We're not gonna sweat the small stuff, and that's that. So you don't have nothing you want to say?
No, I'm good.
You good?
Yeah, I'm great.
You great. So anyway, y'all, so that's pretty pretty much it. We did have a great time at SeaWorld. SeaWorld was an experience. Two things that I feel the next time I go to a theme park, it would definitely not be on a weekend. It would be during the middle of the week. And I mean, right now there's not much you can do about the heat. It's just hot. That really wasn't, I don't think that was, it was hot, but was it that bad?
It was hot.
It was hot.
We spent so much money on water.
Yeah, we bought a lot of water. I think for me, like with one of the food places that we chose to eat at, I didn't realize that it did not have sit-in dining. And yeah, so that was a no-go. But other than that, like I said, it was hot. I was sweating. I feel like I walked 10,000 steps that day. What you think? Maybe.
Probably.
But anyway, I'm not sure. But it was good. I enjoyed it.
It was a great time.
So yeah, the kids had a really good time. So that was really what it's about anyway. It was all of our first time going to SeaWorld. So I had never been. As a matter of fact, I didn't even know SeaWorld had rides. I thought SeaWorld was all about the whale. I mean the killer whale and the dolphins and animals. That's what I always thought. It shows. That's what I thought SeaWorld was. But I learned different. So there you go. So anyway, y'all, that is it. Like I said, we're gonna find us something to eat. Hey y'all, so we stopped to Longhorn. We decided to come here to grab something to eat. It's about a 10 to 15 minute wait. So we just sitting out here waiting, and I am so hungry. So once we are seated and we get to our table, and I guess we order our food, huh? You know what you get?
No.
I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch our video. We truly appreciate it. Make sure that you are hitting the subscribe button, the notification bell, so that way you're notified whenever we're uploading new videos. And follow us too. Follow us on Facebook. Follow us on TikTok, and Instagram is all FollowdaHamptons. All of our handles are FollowdaHamptons. So